Hello, blockchain friends. So let's extend our previous simple smart contract called my contract. So this is what we did last time. We have a simple contract with a couple of functions, set name and get name, and of course we have this variable of type string initially declared and initialized with the value of petar. Now I want to extend our smart contract or our example and implement some kind of access control. So let's say that only the deployer of this contract or the owner of this contract is eligible to set the name of our name variable. That's why let's declare another variable of type address, and let's call it or give it the name owner, and we will use the constructor function to set the owner to the deployer. So we will have the constructor function, and this is a function that is only executed once during the deployment of the contract or at the very beginning. So here we will set the owner variable equal to the message sender. So when we're deploying the contract using some of our Ethereum accounts, we will set the address, or this owner will be the address deploying this contract. Now we can do the following. At the moment everybody can call these functions like set name and get name, and let me show you. For example, let's deploy this contract. So let's deploy the contract, and let me show you that I can choose another Ethereum external account and use the get name function. Initially it's petar, and then we can change the name to Nikolai, and here I can call this function, and here I can check that I have changed the name variable, the value of the name variable. So everybody at the moment can call these two functions. Now let's say that we want the following functionality. Everybody can call the get name function, but only the owner or the deployer of the contract is eligible to call the set name function. That's why we will use this require statement, or this is one of the key features in Solidity to check some kind of statements, for example, or conditional statements. And here we will do the following logical conditional, let's say, statement. We will check if the one calling the function is the owner. So we have to be sure that the message.sender or the account calling the function is the owner. Otherwise the function will revert and we will receive the message not an owner. So that's it. It's a very simple example. Now let me deploy another instance of this contract. For example, we will use the last account in Remix and deploy the updated instance of this contract. So here is the second contract. This is the first one. This is the second one. The updated instance of the contract where we have this require statement. Now let me show you that, for example, I can choose this account and call the get name function, and I will receive this value of Peter. Now if I'm using this account and I want to change the name or to change the value of the name variable by using the set name function, for example Nikolai, here I will receive an error message, and that's it. Not an owner. You are not the owner because we have this require statement. But if I use the owner account, and this is the last one, this is the account we used when we were deploying the contract, everything will work smoothly. For example, now I will check the name. Yes, it's Peter, everything is okay. And now I want to change the name, for example, to Georgi. And I can call this function, and we see that everything has gone smoothly. Our call was successful, and if we check the name, it is the updated name of Georgi. So this is what I wanted to show you today, a very small example how this require statement work, how can we implement this kind of access control, and in the next video we'll see some more advanced, let's say, access control functions like modifiers. That's it for today, fellas. Thank you for watching this video. Please write down your comment or ask about Solidity. Let's learn Solidity together. As I have mentioned many times, I'm a beginner. That's why I'm writing these simple functions in order to exercise my, to apply and to exercise my knowledge. That's it. Have a good day.